Introduce na to sir, one burger or mukhaon na kayo? Try naman.
Iiin mo na yung vlog.
Ay, sorry.
Yes, that's a good idea. I think, you know, among the four, this is the best that I can taste about
Your favorite?
What's up mga lam people? What's up mga migs, mga besh, mga bay, mga kapamilya? Natakarandan ni sa may Nazaret. Tumasako. I think tumasako ni siya. Balik na punta as what you have seen before. Niani na tada ni kay para mukaon sa ilang mga maki. Sa Japanese food nga favorite kay nako, gaani anda ni. Walay lain ang SUKI desu. Muna spelling. SUKI desu ang pagbasa ana. O karon upat ka burger nga pinakabag-o nila ang ilang i-introduce sa ato nga pwede ninyong ma-order. O today is their launching. Kami ang una nga makakaon. Char lang, bitaw ang galuto may una nakakaon. Kami ang unang ipatilaw nga mga customers sa ilang upat ka buok new burgers ng SUKI desu. Unsa gani siya? Muna itong atangan. Lain mga kapamilya, mga mix. CDO din. Doodskie.
Hello.
Ayan. Doodskie Calderon, Doodskie Katawa CDO Facebook, and then sa YouTube.
Katawa CDO pwede mo gawa sa mga gyapon sir.
Oo, Katawa CDO sa YouTube version na.
Right. Gawa sa iyo ko na unang ganito.
Again, namin dani. Ang akong gingon kaganina nga upa. Kabuo mula ba ninyo nakaon ka burger in the rest of your life? Is here right now. Look at this. Number 1 burger is the classic chicken cheeseburger. Classic chicken. So mani, mura man ko ang tongue twister.
Taas mo gud.
This classic chicken cheeseburger is made of
Chicken.
It's made of chicken,
So,
and this is called the potato high.
So wala gini siya pork.
Ha?
Wala siya pork.
Wala gini siya. So no problem sa mga dili ganahan or bawal ang pork. So natay chicken dani. These burgers are all made. So this is with cheese and with classic. What is classic?
Buwan mo siya great throw. Mura siya buwan guys but
Alright.
classic na chicken.
Yeah.
Dili siya modern. Introduce na to sir one burger or mukhaon na kayo. Try naman.
Iiin mo na yung vlog?
Ay, sorry.
Yes, that's a good idea. Actually, thank you because it's the professional with 1 million subscribers.
Ito guys, na if ever kung gusto simpan.
If you want to follow me, all the subscribers of him, follow him. Follow. All of my subscribers, don't follow him because it's free. paper. Intermediate and yellow paper. Made of
black pepper. Chicken,
teriyaki,
ma'am, no? Made of chicken. Chicken Japan to, sir.
teriyaki sauce.
Oo, teriyaki sauce. With Bombay.
With
Ang sa sa Bombay, sir.
onion.
Onion.
Right now we have the teriyaki burger. What about this? This is teriyaki. I think it's
Chicken na siya, sir.
so what is this? This
Ay.
chicken Japan.
Lagi, sa kitawag ano, ma'am? Sa difference sa inyo nila, sir.
Okay.
So wala na siya black pepper. Wala na siya Bombay. Wala yung difference na, sir.
So
The only difference in this
yeah, because we are Cagayanos, we're resilient, and we know survive in English.
Yeah, this one, the difference. No onion. There's You want me to straight English?
Yes.
The difference of these two burger, the black pepper and the teriyaki burger, which has no onions and
Pepper.
yeah, the pepper. There's no pepper. This one, the other one, the last one is the torikatsu. Torikatsu burger.
No. Japanese. This is Japanese. Torikatsu is torikatsu.
Torikatsu.
Like that.
Torikatsu burger. Yeah, included with composed with tomato, red, and this one
Cucumber.
chicken also, sir. There's chicken meat and cactus.
Wow.
Ay, lettuce. Lettuce. Yes, potato pie.
Huh?
Wait, potato pie.
Did you know that Potato High did not go to college?
Yes, Sir John.
Let's ask the
Our chairman of justice,
chairman.
Sir Jun.
chairman of the board. Yeah, you go there. Sir
Sir,
Jun?
why there's potato pie in the...
Sir, I know the answer, but I want you to speak it for me.
Yeah.
Price na kung sa kumbaga sa mga
What?
price sir.
What English? I will translate. Sige, so that
Kung sa pagwa lang mga may mga French fries na rin.
oh, in our case and culture, it's like French fries,
Yeah.
but in a very Japanese way.
Ang ano din, sir?
Oh yeah. Let's try. You wanna try?
Why is French fries here?
French fry.
Wala may... Ay, kapag po na ng brass.
No, there's salty.
So salt, sir, no?
Hmm.
They put some salt.
Because burger is very compatible.
Yeah. Like the fries. That's your
You want
favorite.
try this? Let's slice this.
Yeah.
Huh?
Knife? Okay. You know. Shout out to all the vloggers in Cagayan de Oro.
Hi.
Why you're not here?
We miss you. We miss you.
We miss you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
But you were invited and you didn't come here. We are so sad because
We're happy
We are the
because-
only one because we're gutom. We're happy here, but we're sad because you're not here. There's a chicken going to the barn, and then she laid egg, and then the egg was blew up, and then it became cheese.
Aww.
That's what I imagine.
That's your interpretation.
Enter.
Interpolation. The taste, perfectly good. Something there's crispy there.
I think the chicken.
Nice. The cheese also is quick melt, I guess. Not
Yeah.
mozzarella cheese, so it's a quick melt cheese, and it blends with the bun of the burger. Perfect. Sulit
very tasty. It's like Japan. It's like I'm going to the plane, and then there's Japan, and then I find a certain pool over there that's colored black, and it tastes like teriyaki. And then I dive in Gitan's airplane, going there, and that's what I imagine when I ate this.
Yeah, it's something like you can imagine you're in Japan.
Yeah.
It's an authentic.
Yeah, authentic Japan taste.
Perfect. I like the sauce. The sauce is teriyaki sauce here.
Yeah.
Tapos, what I like most, the crispiness of the chicken, it blends with the sauce of the teriyaki sauce. Dahil sila sa sa classic, because sa classic, more on cheese din yung matirawan. Pero, ano man na sa inyo?
So before we move on to the third one, let's tulak because we were talking.
Okay.
And onion.
It's just a simple version of black pepper burger.
Okay, can you slice?
Yes, sir.
Still going in the plane to Japan, but I do not see now the pool, the black pool of
Yeah.
black pepper.
It's just can I taste also, sir?
I'm just flying in the
plane.
skydiving.
Yeah.
That, then I land at Mount Fuji.
Yeah. Ah,
It's like different, no?
yeah, tastes different. The sauce, sir, no?
It's teriyaki, but we have black pepper here.
Yeah, but the sauce is quite different.
The onion, of the onion.
Because of the onion.
Tastes spicier.
Turikatsu!
Deliveries! I also like
This one,
that.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Banana na, sir. This one.
It's like pick up.
Yeah.
But this will not. Katsu burger, here we go.
Like, sir.
Wait.
You ate tomato? Yeah, me also. Ay, sige. You're flying now in Japan. You're in the plane.
No. I'm in the Mount Fuji.
Yeah.
I'm skiing downward, and then I landed into a poultry house. That's the chicken,
Okay, yeah.
but the poultry house has a garden. That's the tomato.
Yeah, it adds more flavor than something like
I
that.
think, among the four,
This
this
is
is the best that I can taste above.
your favorite.
Juicy. Right? Because of the tomato, it's juicier.
Yeah, and tastes good. Your tomato is fresh, something like that.
And it's like more healthy.
And get some potato.
Potato eyes, our favorite now.
Quite good. Rate the classic cheeseburger from 1 to 10.
Classic cheeseburger is 9 for me.
9.
9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me, for the classic, maybe 7.
7.
Classic
Teriyaki. It's 9 also for me because I also like it. It's spicy.
For me, 6 or 7
6.
also.
And then this is 8.
Yeah.
So you can get more of the taste here in black pepper.
Yeah, I just minus some.
Just -1.
The last one,
And
the
this is the 10.
torikatsu, yeah.
This is the 10 for me.
Amazing, love it.
Torikatsu.
For me, 9. I can't say it's perfect, but tastes good naman. Try to lock in here and order some of their meals.
Taste it for yourself.
Some of their burgers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this.
Kiddos.
Yeah. Sorry for the vloggers who did not come. This is our time to shine.
Subscribe to his channel for more of traveling and food and what? Video game.
General.
Also, subscribe to my channel if you want more of this. Don't forget, the next vlog that I will have
Yeah,
is
soon we're going to have a
collab.
collaboration, something. I think a travel
vlog. Atangi! Till next time, bye-bye!
Love you.
Showbiz kayo. Showbiz tayo.
Pumatik yung doon.